Balfour versus Balfour is a contract law for its stance on enforceable agreements in domestic settings. The case establishes a presumption against legal enforceability for domestic agreements unless proven otherwise. It highlights the importance of intention in creating legally binding agreements, especially in familial or spousal contexts. Balfour versus Balfour underscores the need for clear evidence of intent to form a legally binding contract in domestic arrangements. This legal principle emphasizes the distinction between social agreements and those intended to be legally binding. The case serves as a cautionary tale, reminding individuals to be clear and explicit when transitioning from informal agreements to legal obligations. It elucidates how courts approach domestic agreements with a default skepticism towards their enforceability unless proven otherwise. Understanding Balfour versus Balfour is essential for grasping the nuances of contract law's application in personal relationships. The case highlights the fine line between casual promises among family members and legally binding obligations. Legal clarity is crucial, especially within familial relationships, to avoid confusion regarding the enforceability of agreements. Balfour versus Balfour underscores the necessity of mutual intention for an agreement to be legally binding, even in seemingly informal settings. It showcases how courts balance personal relationships with legal principles when determining the enforceability of agreements. The case emphasizes the importance of avoiding ambiguity in domestic agreements to prevent legal disputes down the line. Understanding this case can help individuals navigate the boundaries between social promises and legally binding contracts within personal relationships. Balfour versus Balfour exemplifies the delicate balance between trust and legal certainty in intimate agreements.